Hi guys, so this is about the mini course. Hopefully trying to get you a few deals across the line. These are 12 of the most common problems I've heard and come across. When people say I can't afford it or whatever. So I've made these quick videos, no messing around. They're only there's a couple of which are 4 minutes, but normally about 2 or 3 minutes each. And it's just gonna, not gonna be selling you anything. All it's gonna do is gonna give you the answers to the questions of 12 of the most popular things that I come across in sales that people have problems with. And I've just basically, there's some really good golden nuggets in there. I really just open my heart and being able to relay what I normally say to customers to hopefully get you on the phone or in meetings or even DMing people and getting a few deals across the line. So it should be really helpful. Even if you get one deal across the line, you're going to make your money back 10, 20, 30 fold, whatever you're charging for those things. This is a very cheap course, but it's got a lot of value because it's really getting down to the nitty gritty. I'm basically saying a question or saying a statement, and then I'm following up on that statement within 2 or 3 minutes, so it doesn't waste your time and it gets the information you need to go out and smash it and make some deals. Now, this course is normally $74. I've knocked it down 50% for this next month, so jump on. There will be more offers. If you don't get in within this month, then keep your eye open. There will be further offers later on. But time is time is of the essence, and we need to be getting deals and cash flow coming into your business as soon as possible. So take advantage of this deal. Yeah, we'll see you on the inside. If you have any problems or any questions, please email me, Caroline@snowballassets.com. And I'm happy to help you with anything, or you can always add me on Facebook and talk to me there on Messenger. Not a problem. I'm here to help. If this mini sales course does the right thing for you, then you should be you should be able to make that money back this afternoon or even 1 or 2 days. So it's great value. I hope you find some really good gold nuggets in there. So just click the button at the bottom of this video, or click the link if you've seen this on YouTube. And give it a go and get some deals money across the line. All right, thanks so much. We'll